Today we are going to learn and practice the fundamental skill of kicking a drop punt. The objective of the lesson is to learn how to correctly and accurately kick a football with a drop punt towards a target. To set up this activity, you will need a large open area with no overhead obstructions, a class set of footballs, cones and a hoop. The lesson is going to comprise of 3 elements. Element 1, a warm-up to ensure students' bodies are ready and prepared for this skill. Element 2, 2 skill-based activities that develop the skill of a drop punt kick with a progression in between the first and the second activity. Element 3, a concluding game that allows students to use this skill in a fun way. Safety measures. To ensure that everybody is safe during this lesson, it is important that we are listening and following instructions. The activities are spaced out appropriately. The oval is checked before the lesson to ensure there are no safety issues or obstructions. First, we are going to teach and demonstrate the drop kick. Start by standing straight with the ball vertically between your hands with your arms lowered. Line up your body and the ball with your partner. Step forward with your non-kicking leg. Guide the ball down with one hand, watching the ball all the way down to your foot. Follow through with your leg towards your partner. And here is an example of the drop punt. The first activity we're going to complete is focused on the correct technique of a drop punt kick with appropriate force and angle to kick to our partner. Set up 2 lines of cones 10 metres apart with 5 metres between each cone. Students will line up on the line facing their partner. Start with the ball in the hands of students on line 1. After blowing the whistle, students kick the ball to their partner, focusing on correct technique and accuracy. Remember the correct kicking technique and use audible cues to assist your students, such as eyes on the ball, toes facing your partner, follow through, point your toe. As an extension activity, student 2 takes a step back to increase the distance. Students can also attempt to use their non-dominant foot to kick the ball to their partner. As a progression from this activity, we will then play kicking dartboard. This allows students to focus on accuracy and adjusting the distance of their kick. This time, students can choose from a variety of targets, so cue students to rotate their body towards the target. Set up hoops at varying distances from 3 metres to 15 metres. Students line up and take turns kicking the ball, aiming to land inside the hoops. Standing behind the line, students pick a target hoop and aim their body towards this target, kicking the ball with the intention of landing or bouncing in the hoop. As an extension from the kicking dartboard, allow students to aim at hoops at a range of angles and distances. You can also create larger targets with rope. If students are advanced in their kicking technique, allow them to use their non-dominant foot.